Hello everybody, I hope you all are having a fantastic day today. It is March 5th and last video we took a look at an insane fast growing esports community stock with backholders such as Vanguard and BlackRock. Today I want to take a look at a stock that used to be a penny stock and no longer is one. So before we get started, all I ask is for you guys to subscribe. It helps out a ton, especially since I'm just starting. Alright, let's get right into the video. Now, the stock that I want to talk about is ZOM, or ticker symbol ZOM. They are a pharmaceutical company and specialize in animal health to meet the needs of clinical veterinarians and practitioners. Their stock has surged more than 2,500% on the news of finally generating revenue and continuation of their product TrueForma. TrueForma delivers accurate, reliable data when testing for thyroid and adrenal disease. ZOM has revolutionary technology that can change the veterinary world. TrueForma is offering the first TSH developed for cats. TSH is a thyroid-stimulated hormone that requires a blood test for testing. This can completely revolutionize the industry as they do not need blood testing and they could get the results in less than 20 minutes, not a week. And I believe they will be the winner that takes all. Now remember guys, these are the companies that I look for and like to invest in. Companies that are changing their industry and sector by bringing revolutionary technology into their industries. This stock is absolutely an amazing buy under $2, and I'll definitely be loading up on some myself. Now, as you can see here are their earnings. They are breaking even a bit, but I do like how they are spending money now to be profitable later. Now, here you could see an article on ZOM. Last November, ZOM was a penny stock facing the prospect of delisting. Now, the stock has gone all the way up from 20 cents all the way to $2. Now, ZOM took advantage of the run-up in price to issue more shares, bringing $173 million in cash. Now, they are a relatively new company founded in 2015, but I believe that their tech is going to be completely revolutionary, that it'll just blow out the waters. They did partner with Zorvo, ticker symbol QRVO. They have plans to develop a platform which is completely protected by 70 pending and issued patents, as you can see here. Zorvo is a $20 billion company that produces semiconductors for radio frequency systems. Now, TrueForma includes complete control over testing process. Clinical decisions are made faster, which means treatments can begin sooner. Minimal training, so the clinics can spend less money on overhead. The device is also the size of a shoebox and weighs only 7 pounds. Now, as you can see here, it is a very easy to use test. All you gotta do is obtain a sample, add the sample to the cartridge, insert it into TrueForma, and the results will be on your computer in less than 20 minutes. This is completely revolutionary because normally it would take more than a week to get back results. Now they could start treating almost immediately, and they do not need to schedule another visit for their pets and owners to come back in to start. Now, since it is tech, they can continue to innovate on their already sold softwares. So it could be used as a software as a service, similar to how Tesla is doing their self-driving. They do have a small, compact design for small testing environments and novel assays to aid in correct diagnostics. Alright everybody, this stock is absolutely a buy under $2 a share, and I'll definitely be buying some myself. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe. Let's get to 100 subscribers. I'll see you in the next one.